have a wonderful rest of your evening here in Dulles or wherever your travels may take you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Summit Life. This obviously doesn't look like Utah, and that's because we are all the way across the country in Virginia.
Yeah, my parents and my family live in Northern Virginia, and we have a really good family friend that has this beautiful lake house on Lake Anna here in Virginia.
Do a flip.
Do a flip?
Yeah.
I can't, I got my new toy in my hand.
Oh.
I got a new drone specially
Okay.
for this lake trip. I really hope I don't crash into the water.
Definitely don't do a flip right now.
Speaking of drones, this video is actually sponsored by Skillshare. Sal's on vacation too. He's got his own little kiddie pool. Out here in Virginia, they have this cool thing called boat houses where you house your boat so it's out of the sun. But the boat that we're using this week is this one right here. But the best part about this lake house is we've got this upper deck where you can do some cliff jumping. Clayton's got some really cool, oh, you going for it?
Not right now, I got
You
my
going
phone.
for it? I'm gonna put you. So really quick fact about this lake, it's actually on a nuclear plant. So all year round, the lake ranges from about 85 to 100 degrees. So it's always warm.
It's actually like bath water.
It is like murky bathwater, which sounds really gross, but I promise you guys, it's way fun.
It's getting mighty toasty out, and I think we're ready to have some fun. Are you going out right now?
Yeah, I'm going on the jet ski. It's like 95 degrees out right now.
This is a little big for you, isn't it?
This is all they have.
Okay,
A
fine.
kid's life jacket wouldn't fit, unfortunately, so
Think you can handle that jet ski?
yes. James Bond style. See you later.
Well, I think this is the perfect opportunity for the maiden voyage of my new drone. Let's see if we can keep up with Faith.
Looks like Mr. Sal wants to go on the boat. Oh, let's go. Looks like we're missing our captain, Sal. No, Sal, how many times do I have to tell you you can't drive the boat? No, mister. Hold up here. I don't know if I want to go on the boat. Watch out! Watch out! We're under attack.
By what?
Look at this thing.
Ah!
It's huge.
What is that?
It's a huge wasp. It's one of those killer bees. This thing is like maybe 1.5 inches long.
It's 2 inches. Don't touch it.
All right, since nobody's taking initiative, I guess it's up to me. I really got to make this one count. Oh, he's looking at me. He's looking at me.
Oh, he's on top. He's on top.
Great.
Oh! Nice.
Victory screech. Anyways, let us continue on our delightful boat trip.
Captain
now
Faith?
that we've got our Captain Clayton.
No, it's Captain Faith.
I don't know how to ride a boat or drive a boat. I guess we'll try this.
Untie you?
Yes, untie
Okay.
me.
The bow is untied. I think that's the bow. I don't know.
And then
Port side.
the poop deck.
Stern. The stern.
I'm not quite sure what to do here. Oh, I turned it on. Okay, all right. Oh, I think I'm doing it.
Captain Faith.
Captain Faith. I was the captain after all.
It's Captain Faith Sparrow.
On the White Pearl. All right, do you think this spot will do right in the middle of traffic?
I think so.
Okay, cool.
Right in the middle of everyone.
Let's take a little snooze.
How does it feel to be back at the lake again?
Feels pretty good, especially because we get to totally unplug here. There's no service. Like the closest spot for service is like a mile down the road. So we've been coming to this lake house, I think this is our 3rd time, and we've loved it every single time so much so that Clayton actually bought a drone like 3 hours before our flight.
You guys know me, you know I wait to the very last possible moment to get things done. So like 3 hours before the airport, I bought a drone, never have flown one before, and we're at the lake. So the drone there's a high chance it could go swimming.
I don't like that.
And Faith's pretty worried about that. That's why we're so grateful for today's video sponsor, Skillshare.
Skillshare is an online learning community that offers thousands of creative classes for curious people, including all the way from how to fly a drone to taking care of a houseplant.
And everything in between. Skillshare classes include a combination of video lessons and class projects, and I actually took a crash course lesson in drone flying specifically to prepare myself for flying the drone here at the lake. And the class that I took was Introduction to Aerial Videography by Wild Rabbit Productions, which gave me a very good basic understanding of the basics and went at a pace perfect for someone who knows nothing.
And I gotta say, you actually flew pretty good.
Why, thank you so much, but it's all because of Skillshare.
The best part about Skillshare is it's curated for learning, which means no ads, so you can stay focused on wherever your creativity takes you.
So we have a very awesome offer for you guys. The very first 1,000 people to click the link in the description below and sign up for Skillshare get their very first month absolutely free on us. Go ahead and learn a new skill. There's no better time than right now.
I'm pretty sure Sal wants to watch a Skillshare video on how to roll over.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that right? Captain Clayton, I think we're getting a little too close to land.
I'm the captain now?
Yes.
As soon as we get into trouble, you forfeit your captainness.
Yes. Captain, get us out of here.
Fine.
Should I make a jump for it?
Yes.
With the camera?
Yes. Jump! Cannonball! All right, Faith. Vacation's almost over. Are you ready to go?
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
It's time to go.
You can't make me.
Yeah, no, we got to go back to work.
No. No, it's not happening. No.
Yeah, all right, let's go.
No.
No, come on, no, don't get back in the water.
No. Come get me. Try and get me on a plane like this.
Sal guy, what are we gonna do?
You're gonna make me come in and get you?
I'd like to see you try.
I gotta go in and get her.
Oh snap, you're serious?
Come on. We gotta go back to work.
No. Oh man, it feels good to be back.
We're finally back. We've been gone 2 weeks and it's time to get back to work.
Yep, that's how our life goes. But it was pretty nice to be off. We were off for like a little over 2 weeks.
2 weeks. We did Michigan first, and that was a flawless trip, which was fantastic. Then we went to the lake house. That was such a blast. You guys just saw that. And now we got lots to do and a lot more to cover in this video.
We wanted to bring you guys along on the trip to the lake house because it's sentimental to us, and we just kind of wanted to see how you guys liked that kind of vlog style. Give Clayton a grade. Did he get an A plus or a B plus on drone flying?
I thought you were saying give him a round of applause.
No, I want to hear it.
How are my drone shots? I thought they were pretty good.
I think I would give him a B plus.
It was my first time.
It was your first time, and I'm giving you a B plus.
A minus. And you got yourself a deal.
There's no deal.
Yeah, the deal is I get an A minus.
There's no, but what's in it for me?
Fine, A.
Fine.
Final offer.
Wait, no! Okay, but we do have to address the elephant in the room that's related to the title. So I'm gonna need all of you to sit down. I'm gonna need you to sit down. I'm gonna need Sal, would you take a seat, please? So for the past 4 months now, some of you have been commenting the same question on every single video, and we're going to address that today.
And the reason we haven't addressed it yet is we're not quite sure exactly how to. So we figured the best way to do it is just to
Well,
talk about
let's just do it. We want to be real with you guys and tell you up front what happened with the new shop that we mentioned in the video that said we were expanding.
The past 2 years have been our biggest years in business so far, and with that type of growth, you experience a little bit of growing pains, some good, some bad. One of the bad was that Faith and I kind of we're at a crossroads. We weren't sure if we should stick to what we know and we're doing, or if we should try something new. We decided to try something new, so we wanted to double down, open up a new shop in the neighboring town, but that's where some other growing pains came in.
Clayton and I as a team decided to go this different route with our businesses. We came across some obstacles, and some of those obstacles were staffing. I mean, the whole world is having a hard time staffing right now.
Yeah.
Renovations for a space that's 10 times as big as this one. And on top of that, rent, offering new services. It was just, we got overwhelmed really quick.
Yeah, another one of those was I am only one person, and I have never had 2 locations before, and I realized that I could not be in both at the same time.
We don't have 2 Claytons.
We don't have 2 Claytons, so we decided as a team that we should bring on a third partner.
Long story short, guys, the partnership did fall through, which is totally okay. Clayton and I took a lot from the experience. We learned a lot of lessons, and I think we're gonna use those lessons to keep the ball rolling.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna use those lessons in future business plans, because we're not done yet.
So in the meantime, we are going to stick to what we know and stick to our cute little boutique shop. In fact, we got a really cool car coming in a couple weeks for a wrap.
Oh, we do?
Really, really cool car. Go team, break. Stay tuned for more wraps, more detail videos, more car modifications.
Man, so this is what it's like to be short, huh?
Yes? Welcome to my life.
This is pretty much where Faith stands.
Oh, stop it.
Right
No,
at my,
it's not.
Right at my hips. In 8 weeks, you guys, the SEMA Car Convention is happening in Vegas, and my Cayman, my Pandem Cayman, is going to be on display there, and it is not even close to done. So we need to get the Cayman done. I also have a full stack of truck parts over there. The entire lift kit is in.
I'm most excited for the part that you just ordered for the Cayman. It's a pretty big deal.
All right, time to get off the ladder.
That's going to conclude today's video, you guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.